paint tray.
Hello, welcome YouTube. Welcome back. It's your boy Andre Allen with Life After 9 to 5. Guess what? We're almost at the finish line. We're almost there. And what I'm getting ready to show you, I'm going to show you a little bit of before footage of the beginning. And then I'm going to show you some footage that shows us making progress. I think what we did new carpet. We have new countertops that they did today. They started on the floors. We changing the floors out. Almost 100% completed on the paint, so you'll get a chance to see that and how that's going. And yeah, we're almost there. And we're probably about another anywhere from 3 to 5 days from completing. We're gonna get a new roof on there, so working on that. We're gonna get a new roof on the house. But let's go ahead and get into it. Go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, so we got so far, day 5. Here we are. Coming along, almost done. Coming to the finish line here. Countertops here. Down the carpet. Carpet is being laid down. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
La mitad de este espacio, más o menos. Muy bien. Ya por lo menos ya tengo una idea para cuando vaya a poner el piso.
Okay, YouTube, what did you guys think of the footage so far? Do you have any suggestions, anything that you see that I could do to enhance it, make it better? Still working on an exit strategy as far as what I'm going to do once it's complete, how I'm going to, whether I'm going to rent it. We're talking about maybe doing a midterm rental, lease rental. We got all kind of things, a group home. So we're just thinking on what we could do with that property to get it cash flowing. So if you got any ideas, go ahead and make some comments, and I'll look into that. So that's it for today's episode. Just kind of wanted to give you an idea, show you guys the progress that's being made, and then I'll come back with the finished product. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Help me build this channel, because what I would like to do is also do other projects and get other people involved and see how we can help each other and build a community. All right, that's Andre Allen. Peace. I'll see you guys later. Have a great evening.
Run the paint tray. I woke up this morning.